a very spacious living room. Now this is your very spacious kitchen and this very spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey and today I'm going to be giving you a sample flat tour of Birla Taranna by Birla Estate. As you can see, I'm standing on the actual land parcel. Right behind me is the sales office. Come, I'll take you to the main road and show you the neighborhood. Currently, I'm standing on the main gate. This is the main road. This entire thing is the part of the land parcel. You can check the neighborhood. The right side of the road takes you to highway and the left side takes you to railway station. Before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders, because in Housey, listing is done directly by the developers and not by the brokers. So now buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a vast land parcel of 25.40 acres in phase 1 where they are launching just 8 towers with 39 floors with a configuration of 1, 2 and 3 BHK and Jodi option available. Now talking about amenities, so they have 50 plus world-class amenities including 1.5 acres of garden area, 50,000 square feet of clubhouse, multi-purpose court, gym, kids play area and many more. Talking about the connectivity of this project is bang on Thane Belapur Road with Thane station at a distance of just 3.5 kilometers, Digha railway station which is one of the nearest railway station at a distance of just 700 meters, Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 8 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 kilometer. So now let's go check out the sample flat. So now let's do a sample flat tour of 3 BHK with an area of 1166 square feet. As I enter, this is the foyer space. As you can see, you can easily store your shoe rack. They've given good amount of space for your foyer area. Moving ahead to our living room, again, a very spacious living room. The entire house is not congested at all, guys, you can see. You can easily enjoy, chill with your family, friends, arrange house parties. Now let's go and have a look at the balcony, but before that, have a look. They also provide you with French windows attached to the balcony. Now you can have a look at the balcony. Quite spacious balcony where you can enjoy your morning tea, coffee, have your me time. Moving ahead to your dining space, so you can see this is your dining space. You can easily have in 6 to 8 seater of dining space over here, have your breakfast, lunch, dinner with your family. Now let's go and check out our first bedroom of this home, but before that have a look at the common washroom. To my right hand side is the common washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. They have given good amount of space for a common washroom. Now moving to the cutest part of this house, kids' bedroom. Have a look at your kids' bedroom. So spacious, so wide, so much of movable space in this room. There's so much of movable space in this room, as you can see, after placing a whole king-size bed. This is your study area where your kids can complete their assignment, homeworks, and you get half French window attached to the balcony. Moving ahead, this is your wardrobe area, a whole wall dedicated to your wardrobe area. You can use this entire wall for your kids, and after having wardrobe area, there's still so much space left. So this room is quite spacious. There's good ventilation, good sunlight, everything in every room. Moving ahead, let's go and check out the kitchen now. Now this is your very spacious kitchen where you get parallel 2 sides of platform. Both the side cabinet area for good storage. This kitchen is actually very big compared to other kitchens that we get in properties in Mumbai. So 4 to 5 people can easily work and still there'll be so much space left. I love this thing about this kitchen. There's so much of space for cabinet area for you to store your accessories, your utensils. Even here and even on the wall. Moving ahead. Now this is your washing machine area. They've given good space for you to keep your washing machine, and then you get half French window attached to the kitchen. Where the platform ends, here is your refrigerator area. You can easily place your refrigerator over here. Now let's go check out the second bedroom. Now this is the first master bedroom and second room of this house. Again, you can have a look how spacious it is. Have a look at the space. There's so much of movable space. This is the best part of every room in this house, that they have not congested any room. Even after placing king size bed in every bedroom, there's still so much space. Now come, check this out. They have given half French window in every room. This is right here your wardrobe space. You can check the depth of the wardrobe, and then there's still so much of space. You can customize the house accordingly. You can have wardrobe space over here, because there's good amount of space in this room. This is your attached washroom. Again, quite spacious for an attached washroom. So all the washrooms, all the rooms are quite spacious, guys. There's no conjunction at all in any room. Be it kitchen, be it hall, be it your bedrooms. So now let's go and have a look at your third bedroom, which is your biggest room as well, and your second master bedroom. But before that, let me explain you the key features of Housey. So Housey provides you with actual location tour, with actual video of the flat and sample flat videos, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI schemes, and a 360-degree location tour. All these amazing features are available on Housey.com. So register yourself for free now and book a free site visit with us now. So now let's go and check out our third bedroom. As we enter, this is your foyer space. And then here is your attached washroom to the bedroom. Again, quite spacious. Every washroom, every room in this house is very spacious. Now let's have a look at this very spacious master bedroom. As you can see, there's so much of walkable space, so much of space in this room. As you can see, there's so much of walkable space in this room, even after placing a whole king size bed. The best part about this house. And you get half French window attached to your room. Here is your balcony area. You can have a look. Attached to your biggest bedroom, your master bedroom. Now this is the best part of this bedroom, because this balcony is attached to your bedroom for you to have your me time, your privacy, enjoy your tea, coffee. Moving ahead, this is your wardrobe space, a whole wall dedicated to your wardrobe space. You can see the depth of this wardrobe, and there's still so much of walkable space over here. This is your dressing table area, right besides your wardrobe. So this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Birla Taranya by Birla Estate. To get more information about this place, please check the comment section, and to know about more such amazing properties, don't forget to check the icon button. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.